Residents living around the Kafue River in the Mufuchani area in Kitwe had for many years before the construction of the bridge struggled with crossing the crocodile-infested river. Today, the area has seen the proliferation of construction activities as it opens up to new settlers and businesses. What is intriguing, though, is the exponential growth of motorbike transportation. Many people are finding this mode of transportation cheap and flexible to use.
And we are making money. The owner of the motorbike, every day we crash 100 kwacha. We go Congo, Ndola, and some other places. Mufuchani, okay.
However, the poor state of the road across the bridge is a source of worry for many bikers. This becomes a nightmare for them during the rainy season. The bikes clearly find it easy to navigate their way across the houses and farms, with most taxi drivers shunning the area. And for as long as the status quo remains the same, these routes will remain a money spinner for these bikers. Reporting for LCM Television in Kitwe, my name is Tintan Banda.